Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain remainder theorem which is related to polynomials. Firstly, understand its statement. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which variables involved have non-negative integral powers. It means powers of variable will be non-negative integers or whole numbers. Powers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now try to understand a statement of remainder theorem. It tells us that let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be any real number if Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is Pa. How it will be proved? Which are required here? Here given is a polynomial, that is Px. Its power is degree greater than or equal to 1. Degree of this polynomial is either 1 or greater than 1. And let a be any real number, such that 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, root 2, root 3, 2 by 3, minus 7 by 8, etc. It will be any real number. A be any real number. And if Px is divided by the linear polynomial, this Px is going to be divided by this linear polynomial x minus a. Linear, as its degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Then the remainder is Pa. As we observed, in division of polynomials, degree of remainder is less than that of divisor. Degree of remainder will be less than degree of divisor. Here divisor is x minus a. Its degree is 1. So degree of remainder, if it is a polynomial, even it will be 0. Even remainder will be 0. That is also a polynomial. That is 0 polynomial. Or if remainder is constant, then its power or degree will be 0, as degree of a constant polynomial is 0. We have to find value of Pa. Then the remainder is Pa. Then Pa will be remainder. It will be solved with help of division algorithm. As we know, so recall it, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. With help of this algorithm, it will be proved. Let Px be any polynomial with degree greater than or equal to 1. Degree of this Px is either 1 or greater than 1. given divisor is x minus a, we need to divide this px by this polynomial x minus a. Then we have to find remainder. Then suppose quotient is qx. Qx will also be any polynomial and remainder is rx. Then remainder is rx. Here, as we know, px is equal to x minus a into qx plus rx. As x to the power 1 minus a is divisor and rx is remainder. So degree of rx will be less than that of this divisor x minus a. Its degree is 1, so its degree will be less than 1, that is 0. When its degree is 0, then x will give us 1 only, then r into 1. Further it is r into 1, that is r, which will be constant. In this way r is constant. Now find 0 of this polynomial x minus a. As we know, 0 of this polynomial x minus a is a. If we put x is equal to a, then we get 0. This a special value will be put here. When x is equal to a, then it is 0 and px is equal to r. Implies that pa is equal to a minus a, x is replaced by a, x, a, here x, a, qx, that is qa plus r. In this way, pa is equal to r. This is called remainder theorem. Pa and a is 0 of this divisor x minus a, because this is polynomial by which we are going to divide this px. So we need to find 0 of the polynomial by which the given polynomial is going to be divided. Hence, pa is equal to r. This is remainder theorem. Now, try to understand this by taking an example. Example is like this. Find the remainder when the polynomial, that is fx, is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50 is divided by x plus 3. It is going to be divided by x plus 3. According to remainder theorem, we need to find its zeros. X plus 3, its zeros will be obtained by equating it to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. When we put value of x, that is minus 3, in this fx, then we get remainder. Now try to understand its solution. Here, given polynomial fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50. It is already given. And divisor is x plus 3, by which we have to divide it. Then 0 of divisor x plus 3, it will be obtained by equating it to 0, implies that x is equal to minus 3. Now put this value in this fx. Now according to remainder theorem, f minus 3 is value of this x, which is 0 of this divisor, by which we are going to divide the given polynomial. Now f minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 square plus 4 into minus 3 plus 50. Is equal to minus 27. 3 into 3 into 3 gives us 27 minus odd number of times. So minus 27 minus 3 is minus plus 3 into 3, that is 9, minus plus minus 4 into 3, that is 12, plus 50 is equal to minus 27 minus 27 minus 12 plus 50 is equal to minus, all these terms are negative, so I have taken it as common, minus 27 plus 27 plus 12, it is added, it gives us minus 66 plus 50 is carried here, plus 50, its solution gives us minus 16. So the required remainder is obtained, that is minus 16. Now try to solve one question which is like this. Find the remainder when fx is equal to 12x cube minus 13x square minus 5x plus 7 is divided by 3x plus 2. Firstly, find zeros of this 3x plus 2, and that value of its zeros will be put here in place of x. In this way we get remainder. That's all. Thank you for watching, and through this you will get such types of more videos. Thank you very much.